Hello everybody. Today we are going to be making an activity called the best number nest. We're going to be using numbers and thinking about the sound the letter sound which is the letter N. I'll show you. The letter N, which makes the sound. So for this activity, you could use a chalkboard if you wanted. You could use a whiteboard, or you could even just use a piece of paper. I've got some numbers right here. Just move back so you can see. I've got some numbers, I've got a dice, I've got some ducks, and I've got something for my nest. So you could maybe use some pipe cleaners or some string. You might even like to use a pom-pom or something shredded, like shredded paper. You could even shred paper yourself and screw it up so it looks like a nest. Or if you wanted to, you might like to go outside and see if you can find lots of bits of twigs and sticks and maybe some bits of hay and maybe make your own nest. Okay, so should we get started? I think we should. So first of all, I'm going to take my dice. I roll my dice, see how many spots we've got. Can you help me count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now I can't think what number 6 looks like. I'm going to use my number line to help me. Can you count with me, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's number 6. Now I know what number 6 looks like, I need to see if I can find number 6. Now, is number 6 at the top or the bottom? Is number 6 blue or orange? That's right, number 6 is orange. That's right, not this one, this is number 3. So I'm going to take my number 6, put it on my board. Now I'm going to get my nest. I'm going to need to put this many ducks into my nest. Do you think you could help me count them? Let's count them. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So that's what we do. We roll our dice, count the spots, find the number, and then put that quantity into our nest. You could make it extra tricky by using special tongs or pegs to pick up your ducks. If you don't have plastic ducks like me, toy ducks, you might even like to draw ducks or birds that also live in nests. And maybe you could cut them out and stick them down on a drawn nest. It's up to you how you do it. Have lots of fun.